Maryhill. I teach welding, manufacturing, machining, and some CNC design.
What is your favorite part about teaching those classes?
Being able to show students who basically know nothing, have zero experience in something, and bring them all the way up to where they can be pretty darn good at it.
Hi, my name is Miss Norton and I'm a teacher at Enumclaw High School. This is my 9th year teaching at Enumclaw, where I get to teach agricultural science classes including floral design, animal science, and agricultural leadership. One of my favorite things about the classes that I get to teach at Enumclaw High School would just be the opportunity to get to share the things I'm really passionate about, being plants and agriculture and animals and leadership, with the students of Enumclaw High School. It's so much fun getting to learn with them and share experiences related to those things I'm so passionate about with the students every day in class.
Hi, I'm Mr. McCarthy. I teach science at Enumclaw High School. I've been teaching now for 2 years. Right now, I'm teaching 3 different classes. I teach environmental biology, I teach zoology, and then I teach animal science. I think if you have an interest in animals and having a career regarding animals, whether that is being a zoologist, a marine biologist, a veterinarian, there's a lot of different applications to even just owning an animal. It would be beneficial to take these classes. I always loved animals. Personally, when it came to, my dad always thought that I would be a great veterinarian, but I just thought it would be too sad for me. But yeah, so applying what I love, which is animals, into what I teach is my favorite thing about it.
Any student in an agricultural science class has the opportunity to join the Enumclaw FFA chapter.
Be the future farmers of America and raise livestock with us and travel and have lots of fun experiences with that.
And FFA is an amazing organization to learn more about agriculture and explore those different passions students have, as well as develop as a leader in our community. Students who are in our Enumclaw FFA chapter make lifelong friends and have a great time making memories with all the different events and traveling that we do.